Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the projections of a straight line parallel to both the reference planes. Now let us see the pictorial representation of a straight line capital AB which is parallel to both the horizontal plane and vertical plane. From this diagram we can understand that the line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Now let us find the projections of a straight line which is parallel to both the reference planes. The pictorial representation of the given problem is shown here. It is given that the true length of the line is 70 mm and the line is located 30 mm in front of the vertical plane and 40 mm above the horizontal plane. To obtain the front view of the given straight line, we need to observe the straight line from the front and the line need to be projected on the vertical plane. And the projected line on the vertical plane can be called as its front view. Ensure that the two projectors are perpendicular to the reference plane. The front view of the straight line capital AB must be denoted using the corresponding lowercase letter with dash. That means the front view must be denoted using small letter A dash B dash. To obtain the top view of the straight line capital AB, we need to observe the straight line from the top and the line need to be projected onto the horizontal plane. Now the projected line on the horizontal plane can be called as its top view and the top view must be denoted using the corresponding lowercase letter. That is, we need to name the top view as small letter AB. After obtaining the top view on the horizontal plane, we need to rotate the horizontal plane along with the top view into 90-degree clockwise. Now we can see that the horizontal plane is opened out and occupy a position vertically below the vertical plane. And the top view line AB will occupy a new position below the XY line. From this diagram we can understand that the true length of the line is 70 mm and the above distance from the horizontal plane is 40 mm and the in front of distance from the vertical plane is 30 mm. Now let me explain the quick tips for verification. Hope this will be highly useful. Generally we solve problems related to first quadrant. The tips I am going to give you now is applicable only when the line is located in the first quadrant. We all know that there are two reference planes and the two reference planes are horizontal plane and vertical plane. Whenever the reference plane is horizontal plane, the projection is obtained above the XY line and it is called as front view. Whenever the reference plane is vertical plane, the projection is obtained below the XY line and it is called as top view. Whenever the straight line is contained by horizontal plane, the front view is obtained on the XY line itself. Whenever the line is contained by vertical plane, the top view is obtained on the XY line itself. From this diagram we can understand that whenever a straight line is parallel to horizontal plane, its front view will be obtained above the XY line and it will also be parallel to XY line. Whenever the straight line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, its front view is obtained above the XY line and it is also perpendicular to the XY line. Whenever the line is inclined to horizontal plane, its projection is obtained above the XY line and it is also inclined to the XY line. Whenever the line is contained by horizontal plane, its front view is obtained on the XY line itself. Here we can see the special case whenever a line is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane, its projection will become a point. From this diagram we can understand Whenever the straight line is parallel to vertical plane, its top view will be obtained below the xy line and it will also parallel to xy line. Whenever the line is perpendicular to the vertical plane, its top view will be obtained below the xy line and it will also be perpendicular to the xy line. Whenever the straight line is inclined to the vertical plane, its top view will be obtained below the xy line and it will also be inclined to the xy line. Whenever the straight line is contained by vertical plane, its top view will be obtained on the xy line itself. Now let us use the quick tips for verifying the final projections we have obtained. It is given that the line is parallel to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. Parallel to horizontal plane means the projection which is obtained above the xy line must be parallel to xy line. So here we can understand that the projection which is obtained is parallel to xy line. Also it is located above the xy line. When the line is parallel to vertical plane, the projection which is obtained will be parallel to xy line and it will be obtained below the xy line. When a line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, the length of the top view and the length of the front view will be equal to the given true length. It is also given that the above distance from the horizontal plane is 40 mm and the in front of distance from the vertical plane is 30 mm. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and give your comments. Also click the subscribe button to get the notifications on new videos in this channel. Visit this channel for more such videos.